Hi everyone, my name is Walsh and today's video is about how cloud computing supports organizations in their digital transformation. Some of you may be wondering, what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, to manage and to process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. There are three different types of cloud computing. The first is the public cloud. This is owned and operated by a third-party cloud service provider, which deliver computing resources like servers and storage over the internet. The next is the private cloud. Private cloud refers to cloud computing resources used exclusively by a single business or organization. The services and infrastructure are maintained in a private network. And finally, we have the hybrid cloud, which is a combination of both the public and private clouds. This graph represents the rise of cloud computing service providers in the 21st century. It is said when Amazon released the Cloud S3 service, this ignited rapid growth in cloud service providers. This has continued to grow since then and is now a multi-billion-dollar industry. There are a huge number of benefits of cloud computing for organizations in their digital transformation. The first benefit is the cost benefit. Cloud computing eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software and setting up and running on-site data centers. This includes the constant cooling of hardware. These costs add up quick, and as a result of cloud computing, they are eliminated. The next benefit is productivity. On-site data centers typically require a lot of racking and stacking, such as hardware setup, software patching, and other time-consuming IT management chores. Cloud computing eradicates these chores and therefore increases organization productivity. A further key benefit of cloud computing is its reliability. Cloud computing makes data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity easier and less expensive because data can be mirrored at multiple redundant sites on the cloud provider's network. And finally, global scale. Cloud computing services include the ability to scale elastically. In cloud speak, that means delivering the right amount of IT resources. For example, more or less computing power, storage bandwidth, right when they're needed, and from the right geographic location. This is a huge benefit of cloud computing. 13% of organizations that have implemented a digital transformation strategy say that the cloud has been critical to it, while a further 80% say that it has been important. 38% of cloud users with a digital transformation strategy says that cloud computing has given them a significant competitive advantage. This is as a result of the benefits which I previously outlined. Cloud computing has had a huge impact on organizational and everyday life. In education, students can access data anywhere and anytime using resources such as Brightspace, thanks to the cloud. In healthcare, hospitals no longer need to hold physical files. These can all be held in the cloud. It has also increased job mobility, where the creation of online journalism has become a trend thanks to the cloud. So that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.